My friends, welcome back to another video. This is alert news of Shiba Inu token. Be safe and be safe from loss because the Shiba Inu token is going down. As you can see here from the previous last 1 week, the price changes occur and the Shiba Inu token is going wrong, friends. Anyways, let's see the more details about Shiba Inu token. But before starting this interesting video and before seeing the more details, please click the subscribe button and like this video. I hope you all subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. Let's start. As you can see here, let's move on. 0.0013 USD dollar is the currently price of the Shiba Inu token in the market. On the other side, if you look, the price changes occur in the Shiba Inu token, so be alert and be safe from loss. Don't do this mistake at this time, friends. Now I understand that the price is going down of the Shiba Inu token from the previous last 1 week, the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week. The whole changes occur in the Shiba Inu token is going wrong. But that's not mean then you decide to sell. Remember that if you want to make a good amount of profit with the cryptocurrencies market, so you have to be patient. You have to wait for a good amount of profit. As you can see here, now the price is going down, so that's not mean then you decide to sell. No, my friends, don't do this mistake and be safe from loss, friends. Anyways, my friends, let's see the more details about the Shiba Inu token on the price chart. As you can see here, Shiba Inu token, the last 1 month price chart, friends. Friends, if we look the price chart of the Shiba Inu token, so that's clearly tell us that the Shiba Inu token changes the lucks of the people and the minutes, friends. As you can see here, in only a previous last 5 days, they take this kind of jump. And a previous last 2 weeks, they only fast down, as you can see here, friends. But as you can see here, on the other side, if you look the prices occur in the last 5 days, as you can see here, 6 May, between 10th May, they only take a huge jump, and now this time the change become as positive, friends. So if the Shiba Inu token, if you are lucky, so Shiba Inu token will take a quick jump. They quickly move upward, friends. But that's not mean, that's not a solution of cryptocurrencies market, and that's not a rule. Then when the price falls down, so you decide to sell. No. Especially that is the all game of short-term investor, friends. As you can see here, at this time the short-term investor buy Shiba Inu, and at this point when they start falling, so they decide to sell. And some short-term investor going to sell at this point, some short-term investor are going to at this point sell, and some is now currently selling Shiba Inu token. So for those people who selling Shiba Inu token at this time, I advise for all of you, I suggest for all of you that it's time to hold, friends, not to sell. It's just a beginning jump of the Shiba Inu token. As you can see here, that is just a beginning jump. Very soon they are going to hit a $1 friends. If the short-term investor don't decide to sell Shiba Inu tokens, so now I think at this time they can go easily hit a $0.01 friends. But unfortunately our holders decide to sell, so that is why the price is again going down. So what's the reason behind it? Why are you decide to sell Shiba Inu token, friends? And absolutely, if you buy Shiba Inu token at this time and you decide to sell it this time, so absolutely you are in the loss. Please, my suggestion, my recommendation for all of my viewers, for all of my subscribers, that's be alert and be safe from loss. Don't do this mistake and don't decide to sell Shiba Inu token. It's time to only hold. What's your opinion? What's your prediction? Also share in the comment box and stay connected with the ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.